Hi everyone, this is Marjorie. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new here, would you please subscribe and ring the little bell and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Now today is the first day of December, so this is Vlogmas for me. You can see a big mess in the background. My husband is on keto and so am I. I've lost 55 pounds on keto in the last year and a half, and I'm still on, working on losing more. My husband has lost 16 pounds in the last, 8 weeks, I believe. And at first he was not really excited because it was slow going and up and down as it is. But now he's pretty much on board with this and he's feeling so much better. Losing weight is always nice, but feeling better is the key at our age. Now, I'm going to show you because tomorrow I have got my whole house all set up for Christmas. We're having not a surprise, we're having a 70th birthday party. My husband just turned 70 on the 27th. So I'm going to show you his little cake and I'm going to show you how the buffet is set up. And then probably tomorrow or the next day, I'll show you a whole tour of my house. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to move. Whoa, that's a bumpy ride. Sorry about that. Move the video in a little closer so you can see what I'm doing. I have a big tray, a cute little Santa chef, and a bunch of cool little cupcakes that are not keto because I am not preparing a whole bunch of not keto recipes. So here's what's going on. This is the bottom layer of his birthday cake that will go on this little pedestal, and here's the top layer. I baked these. These are a triple recipe of a 90-second mug cake, and I ended up cooking it in the microwave for more like 3 or 4 minutes. And I used dental floss to cut it in half. I baked it in one of those big Pyrex baking, not baking, but big Pyrex measuring cups, which was the perfect size for my little pedestal. So I basically cut it in half with the dental floss, put the bottom half on. It's cool now. And I'm going to put the top half on. And I'm going to attempt to frost this right here for you to see. I'm going to take the cream cheese frosting. And let's see. I'm going to frost it all around. All over the top. Can you see that there? I don't know if you really can. Let me try to get the camera in a little bit better here. Or maybe if it's out a little more. There we go. Okay, now you can see that, I think. Yes. Okay, so we're going to smear the frosting around, or spread it around, whatever is the correct terminology for that. And this is going to be Dan's very special own little keto cake because he has lost, like I told you, 16 pounds. So he does not want to go off his diet. And I will show you what we're having. We're having, because it's cold, we live in the mountains, and it's not snowing, but it is cold. So we're having regular chili in the crock pot, and we're having a crock pot of keto chili, which is made instead of beans. It has a big package of yummy button mushrooms all chopped up in there, a little on the coarse side so that they kind of take the place of the beans. And it's really good. I made the recipe last week at the beginning of the week. I'm kind of already getting over it because I've eaten a lot of keto chili. It is delicious, I'll say that, and I will probably do a video with the recipe for that. Okay, trying to hurry this up a little bit here, but there's not really a way to hurry to frost the sides of a cake. It's pretty cute. I like it. And this frosting has swerve, powdered swerve. It has liquid vanilla stevia. It has softened cream cheese and butter. And it's very decadent. And so is the keto diet. For any of you who are looking at this thinking about the new year and thinking, oh no, I don't know if I can give up all my goodies. You don't have to. We didn't. We enjoy our diet, our way of eating on keto, and I'm happy to say even Dan does now, which I thought was going to be a real challenge. And at the moment, he's doing better than me with losing weight, but that's because I've already lost 50 pounds, so I consider myself ahead of him. Oh no, that loud noise, that horrible squalling noise is my big mouth kitty who wanders around howling. Okay, there's the little cake, and it's going to have some shredded coconut patted right on top here so it looks like a little snowball. There we go. Dried and unsweetened shredded coconut. This little baby is going to go right up here. Of course, I'm going to refrigerate it overnight, but it's going to go right up there. 2 seconds here to dry off my hands. And I got these beautiful Mackenzie Child party candles that are black and white. I decorate with a lot of red and black checks during the Christmas season and the winter holidays all winter. So these tall candles are going to go around on his cute little cake, and I'm going to go around the top corner and the bottom, top edge and the bottom with a little bit of Ready Whip and just go do 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 and make it all pretty. Okay. Oh, the filling in the middle, by the way, is this no sugar added raspberry nectarine jam that I bought at our local farmer's market. So anyway, I think you're caught up. That's the little cake. This is the area that's going to be for sweets. I'll take all of these cupcakes out and spread them around, put the candles on the cake. Now I'm going to show you this. I'm going to try to move the easel. That's my keto cornbread, which has cheese and jalapenos in it. It will be cut up and put into little serving dishes after it's warmed. Okay, here we go. I'm walking with the actual easel here to show you this. This is my buffet for the party. This is going to have regular chili with beans, regular cornbread with jalapenos will be in here, cheddar cheese shredded, chopped onion. Let's go over here. This is the little crock pot for the keto chili with mushrooms and no beans. I put the tags describing what's in the chili. I put the tags in between reindeer ornament antlers. And this is going to be the keto cornbread with jalapenos. And so that's going to be that. And I will show you the whole rest of the, whoa, now you can see my messy house because it has not been cleaned up. Well, it's been cleaned. It hasn't been cleaned today. I have to straighten it all up before the party tomorrow. So, alrighty. Well, like I said, if you're new here, please subscribe, ring the little bell. Please leave your comments below. Be kind. And I will see you tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Bye now.